Hello world, my name is Andrei Marchikov, I'm from Kaluga, Russia, and I want to represent my CS50 Python final project. This is a CLI app that allows you to create your own to-do list and save it in JSON format, as you can see in the picture. The name is a task name typed by the user, and the status is a default value that is false, meaning of task completion. By using this app, you can add tasks to the list, change task status, delete completed tasks, and delete the entire JSON file. To add a task to the list, use the A or add flag. You will be prompted to enter the task name. To change the task status, use the CH or change flag. You will be prompted to enter the task name as well. For deleting tasks, use the tell task or delete tasks flag to delete all completed tasks. To delete the entire JSON file, use the tell all flag. To list all tasks, use the ls or list flag. Let's have a look on my demonstration. So, as you can see, I'm using the A flag to add tasks to the list. There are no JSON file here, so the program will automatically create the JSON file. Then I'm using the ls flag to list all my tasks with their statuses. To change my task 1 status, I'm using the ch flag and list it again to check status change. To delete completed task, I'm using tell task flag and list it to check the app. To delete the JSON file, I'm using tell all flag. So, thanks you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.